Someone's in my trailer right now. I'm at Bonanza. DJ Slinger's having breakfast. I'm not at home. Somebody's in my trailer. That's my trailer on my property. It says right now, and that person arrived at 4:06 p.m. Thank you. Yesterday, and my dogs have been going berserk about something. I looked around the property and didn't see anyone. I recorded this a little bit earlier, where someone that was on my property was about 100 feet from my trailer, and now they're actually in my trailer. So I'm going to contact the sheriff's department, but they can't go up to the property. It's flooded and the dogs are there. But someone with an illegal clone copy of my SIM card is either in my trailer or they have a drone on top of my trailer, which they've been doing a lot. And I have lots of photos of things on top of my trailer, trying to listen in and get my data and all that kind of stuff. But they waited for me to leave the house, and now they're on top of my trailer.